Is Tennessee prepared if they don't strike it down?
Well, no, I think we are. Like, so we've begun the process of putting together, doing the initial stages of putting an exchange together, which is our primary responsibility. And so I think we're, if they don't strike it down, we're on that path. Obviously, I'm hoping that they do because I think it saves the state money long term, and that'll make things easier. But I think we've played this right in the sense of being ready either way it goes.
Would the state go right away, or would you wait until November to see how the elections turn out?
Well, I think we would continue. I think we'd continue to this. I've asked Commissioner Darren Gordon at TennCare that, and he said there's really nothing that we would have to change or decide or spend money on between now and November that would be a difference maker. So we would continue on the path. It's really not until I think next January that we're another decision point on having to spend money.
But in terms of setting up the healthcare exchange, where are you on this? Because the legislature didn't move on that, right?
They didn't, but we have so far the grants we have in place already allow us to do all the groundwork. So we feel comfortable that we won't have to make a decision on that until January when they're back in. So if it's upheld, if the election stays the same in November and the path if Obama wins the election, then we would. We don't think we'll have to make any decision that would involve the legislature until January, when they'll be back in session.
Governor, while you expressed concern about the cost of the state if the Health Care Act stays intact,
right.
I mean, the truth is that it would cover, there are several 100,000 Tennesseans that would get coverage where they don't now.
Well, that part is true, but if you look, like I said, we saw at the end of the year our prescription drug costs starting to go up. I think that was providers starting to take into account what are we going to do when we have to cover more people. And so I just think there's a lot of inherent cost in the new Health Care Act that is only just now beginning to show up and will accelerate. And again, my concern is we didn't fix health care costs, which is the issue. We just expanded who was covered.